Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On July 6, 2021, OMG came in front of our house. Well, their truck came. And they've sent me these. Now let's see what's inside. We have the complete shades from their Invisible Polish collection. I've already done a swatch and review video for this last year, but I wasn't able to feature the two new added shades. I only swatched Invisible Black, Invisible Violet, Invisible Red, and Invisible Light Red. But now they have two more shades, which are Invisible Green and Invisible Peach. If you're wondering how this nail polish works, well, you can see their real shades under the sun. It would look completely cool and vibrant under the sun. Check out my full swatch and review video for this to see the complete effect of this collection. We'll surely post a video swatch for Invisible Green and Invisible Peach once it gets sunny again. It has been raining a lot lately, so I can't feature the full effect of it. Okay, so next we have OMG's Northern Lights collection. And now they have new bottle caps. They were in black bottle caps, but now they're white. I've also done a swatch and review video for this 2 years ago. I'll be leaving the link on the description box so you can watch it afterwards. Then we have their new formulation of their peel-off base coat. Now it has a clear formula. The one that I've been using has a milky white formula, and this is my last bottle of it. I can't wait to try out this one. And of course, I'll be doing a video for it. Then we have OMG's Express Nail Quick Dry Spray. I'll be posting a video for this one too soon. Then we have this clear OMG pouch. And lastly, we have OMG's Echo Bag. I want to thank OMG for sending me all of these. Don't forget to follow OMG on Instagram and on Facebook. And I'll also leave their official Shopee on the description box below. Once again, thank you so much, OMG! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!